Aloha, friends, and merriest of Christmases. We are all divine Christed beings. We have the love and the light within us. And we are creating the new and beautiful environment around us based on that information. Diversity, unity through diversity. I read it today in the Kybalion, and I was so delighted to hear that the food forest teaches us the very same message of unity through diversity. It's such a beautiful, wise place to observe and learn from. I literally have so much fun out here. I love to stay out in my little garden when I'm ready for peace. I'm ready for wisdom after the end of the day. So you see these, you'll see a lot of these growing. Green onions. Green onions, yes, green onions. So they're completely edible, and I like how they're almost blue, because I think they're absorbing a certain mineral, like maybe sulfur, because they're blue. So the garden teaches me, and I believe the garden teaches every one of us. And the Kybalion messages from the three initiates has a lot of correlation with the garden. There's rhythm, which is where like the seasons, and there's cause and effect, which is very interesting, and so many other beautiful teachings that the garden teaches. It's amazing. I keep finding correlations, which is another law of the universe, correlations between the garden and the wisdom teachings. So it's very fun. Merry Christmas. And I wanted to just finish this with one last thing. There's a prophecy in the book of Revelation 22 about the trees. And the Garden of Eden is restored. I honestly and completely believe that we are restoring the Garden of Eden, which teaches us the lessons of unity through diversity, infinite abundance, community, appreciation, and mostly infinite abundance. Okay, darlings, I send you all my love. I'm a grandmother, and I love you. Aloha.